In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Sims 4. So you just have to navigate your Sims 4 folder. So as you can see, this is my Sims 4 folder. You just have to click that and just go to Sims 4. So once you are in here, you just have to navigate language launcher and just click that. Now once you're in here, you could just pick the language you want. And sometimes there is a Sims word that there is a folder named language. You should click that. For example, this the name of this folder is language, then you must click that. Then there are languages in here, and just click the language you want. So there are times that their Sims folder is like that. Mine is different because, as you can see, there is sometimes we have different scenes for folder. So mine is just a language changer in here. But for you, sometimes it is a folder named languages. And that's it.